Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about 9 C's in business communication. 9 C's of writing in business writing. If we have 9 C's in your business writing, you will find it is a comprehensive writing skills and you will be demanded. So in 9 C's, one is correctness. The first and the most important part of your communication, written communication, your writing or piece of writing, it must be correct. From the grammar, from ideology, from thoughts, from data and more. Second, we have conciseness. Conciseness does not mean it should be short, it should be complete. Say maximum meaning in minimum words. That is conciseness. Second, we have clarity. The most important part of 9 C's is a clarity part. In clarity, one side we have a clarity of a structure. Second, we have clarity of ideas and ideology. In a number of cases, most of the students, they have clarity of language, but clarity of thoughts, it is difficult for them to maintain clarity of thought. They decline their clarity of thought. Second, we have completeness. Completeness and concise. Both are different. I do not mean you should be short. I mean you should be complete rather than to be short. आपकी जो भी piece of composition है, it must have all the points that are required. That is completeness. Next we have concreteness. Conciseness and concreteness, both they have overlapping, such as a very famous statement of Abraham Lincoln that will be discussing democracy is for the people, of the people and by the people. The best example of concreteness, 1872, it was a speech delivered by Abraham Lincoln, and it was the best speech of the world according to research. In the entire speech, he used 272 words. In 272 words, he concluded almost all the areas and the segments of the rights of people. Next, we have conversational tone. In most of the business communication, we have conversational tone. First person and second person. You should write down I and you're addressing to you. In genre writing, I mean literary writing, cause-effect writing, narrative writing, or argumentative writing. So we do not have conversational tone. Conversational tone as we are discussing with the clients, with the customer, with the audience. And then we have courtesy. You must be polite without criticizing anyone, any party, any religious person, an institution. You must say your statement clearly with a straightforwardness, but without finding out with any personality and institution. आपने किसी को find out नहीं करना है, criticize नहीं करेंगे. आपके जो भी views हैं, you must deliver your views, write down, jot down your views with reasons and logics and convincing way. Then we have confidence. Apart from the oral communication, we have written confidence. A number of students in Pakistan, they write down fake experience in CVs. अक्सर जो students होते हैं वो CV में experience अपना गलत लिख देते हैं. They do not have experience and they write down that they have a 2 years experience. If you apply for multinational company, for global company, they will call where you working. जब वो call करेंगे उन institution में जहाँ पे आप job करते थे, and then you will find you will lose your confidence. Number second elements. We have number of forms. In those forms, at the end of the forms, you will see वहाँ पे statement लिखे होते हैं. Make sure that your statement, the form that you have filled is correct. जो भी आपने form fill किया इसमें information जो correct है, कोई भी आपने fake information नहीं दी. If we have any fake information on authentic news information or that is untrue, you will lose your confidence. ये mostly CV composition में है. और next we have different kind of writer जहाँ पे आपने information assume कर दी है. You will lose your confidence. Last we have preciseness. What mean precise writing? Precise writing, conciseness and concreteness. 3 elements. They are different. In some cases they have overlapping areas. So in 9 C's we are discussing only 4 C's right now. So correctness, one side we have grammar, punctuation, spelling, grammatical and technical. जो आप डेटा दे रहे हैं वो भी करेक्ट हो, और जो ग्रामर स्ट्रक्चर यूज कर रहे हैं, स्पेलिंग है और पंक्चुएशन है. वी हैव 11 punctuation. In number of cases, most of the students they find a problem in punctuation, a particular colon and semicolon. Second is make sure that the names you are using, the places and location, they are correct from spelling point. And you have different technical terms. Make sure that your audience can understand. जो भी आप terms use कर रहे हैं, आपके जो audience है, अगर layman है, तो अपने स्टेनो को lay down करना है आपने. Data citation should be correct. Citation essential part of writing skills. Citation जो आप information दी है और source क्या है inform करें. न्यूज़पेपर कौन सा है, डेट क्या थी, वेबसाइट कौन सी है, एजेंसी है तो मेंशन करें. फ्रॉम वेयर हैव यू टेकन दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, मेंशन साइटेशन. डू नॉट assume information or it should be confirmed. If we have better research data, you are most welcome to include that the part of. Finally, I will say only one thing, that your written communication should be free from any error. That is correctness. Number next is conciseness, how to say more in few words. The best example we have, how to say more in few words. If we have huge experience, you have a frequent exposure of writing or composing, means you can understand the importance of conciseness. A number of HR managers, they have less times, they must have this skill to conclude a number of letters into within 100 words, so they can form one thing. So we need a conciseness. काफी वर्ड्स हैं, काफी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, आपने कंसाइज करना है, शॉर्ट करना है और प्रेजेंट करेंगे. We discuss this statement, conversational tone. We discuss conversational tone means as you are discussing with your colleagues or with your audience, lawyer and client, doctor, patient, parents and kids, professor and students, they have conversational tone. Conversational tones as you are discussing with your audience. I और you हम यूज करते हैं यहाँ पर. One thing such as essay composition, argumentative writing skills, we do not have a conversational tone. The tone must be conversational. And the very last we have the clarity. A great writing, they have great clarity. Without clarity means whether you have basic structure, vocabulary, punctuation, it is not impressive. It is not comprehensive. It lacks, right? So clarity is very important. So we have different kinds of clarity. One we are discussing. We do not need education minister. We need education for minister. See this statement. It has a complete clarity. It was spoken by Pakistani speaker Anwar Maqsood. We do not need education minister. We need education for ministers. One side we have clarity without criticism. Any political party, any religious party, any government, he has stated this statement. Second is to be educated is entirely different than educators. See the clarity. To be educated is something else than to be educated. यहाँ पर कितनी clarity आ रही है. And one side is a clarity in the structure. So you must be good at a clarity in the structure. अब जो भी structure use करें, it must be clarified. It must have unity of tense, present tense or past tense or future tense. Then we have clarity in ideas or ideology. So one side we have a structure, second we have ideology or idea. Democracy is of the people, for the people, by the people. So we have a small sentence with 3 clauses, and it has a complete clarity, 101% clarity. So one is structure clarity, second we have idea clarity. The very last we have paragraph clarity. So I do not mean segment clarity, I mean the entire clarity. One side we have segment, next is the whole clarity. काफी स्टूडेंट्स आपको मिलेंगे जिनका सेंटेंस क्लैरिफाइड है, कंप्लीट पैसेज क्लैरिफाइड नहीं है. द पीस ऑफ कंपोजिशन it does not have any clarity. This idea, hopefully you have got this idea. So we have discussed 9 C's, but we focus only the 4 C's. If you find problem, you have any question, you want to add something, you're most welcome to add in comment box. Thank you.